In this video, I'll show you how to disable the mark media you post as sensitive setting on x.com, formerly Twitter, in just a few quick steps. If you've been looking for an easy way to turn this off, you're in the right place. This setting can be useful for some accounts, but if you want your posted media to stop being marked as sensitive, you can change it in your privacy settings. Before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Now let's jump right in. First, log into your x.com account on desktop or in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left navigation bar and click More. This will open up the full menu with additional account options and settings. From there, click Settings and Privacy. That's where all of your main account controls are located. Next, on the settings page, click Privacy and Safety. This section controls how your account handles visibility, content, and interaction options. After that, click Your Posts. This is the area where you can manage settings related to the media and content you upload. Now look for the option that says Mark media you post as having material that may be sensitive. You'll see a toggle next to it. If it's turned on, click the toggle to turn it off. Once you disable it, your media will no longer be automatically marked with that sensitive content label. And that's it. You've now successfully turned off the mark media you post as sensitive setting on x.com. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.